Imagine a rotary table plate with the weight of 10 full-grown elephants, or around 46 tons. And the positioning of the entire mass would be incredibly precise at the same time. Viewed at the outer diameter, smaller than 1 micrometer, that is 80 times finer than an average hair. Converted to the size of a 5-meter round table, that would be an angle of 200 thousandths of a degree.
Fun fact:
if you would look at the dwarf planet Pluto from the Earth, its apparent size would be comparable to an angle of about 200 thousandths of a degree. And it really does exist. With the world's most accurate rotary table from ELHA. Here you can see an image magnified thousands of times, where the fine positioning of the rotary table in the micrometer range is just visible.